This machine uses a PLC control system. Added positioning function. It can automatically corner the pipe. At this time, there is no need for manual continuous operation in front of the screen. We can come to the machine. Check whether the action when bending is in place, including the speed of the auxiliary push, etc. Save on manual investigation costs. There will be different angle requirements on the elbow product. This PLC program can input 20 bending angles for you to choose. When using it next time, can be directly in the system. Call the desired bend angle. The function of multiple auxiliary pushes has been added to the program. When the bending radius is too large, ordinary elbows need to increase the length of the cylinder auxiliary push to complete the auxiliary push bending of the large wheel, die, and the multiple push functions in this program greatly reduces the length of the auxiliary fuel tank. More user-friendly operation. Improve molding quality. So let's take a look at the bending process.